Hey there. So, as a teacher of intro engineering, I do IED and POE. One of the problems that my students have trouble with is aligning their views with multi-views, okay, especially if they're sketching it by hand. And so, what I'll often see, as we're going to see in this example here, is I'll pull up the example here. Let's see. They give me the front view, all right, but then where the right view should be, they have put the left view, all right, and we can tell that this is the left view because if we were to rotate this front view to the left, we'd see the keel of the ship, all right, as it's coming up, and you can see the sail in front of the mast instead of behind the mast. So what the student did is a common mistake, all right. They instead of in the right view, giving me the right view, which should show the back of the boat and should show us the crank as solid lines, object lines. It's actually got that reversed. Okay, so I put this together. I made a file, and I'll go back to it here now. Where we've got a multi-view cube that has letters representing each of the sides, and it's supposed to help them visualize like how these views really should line up. Okay, so if you get the front view and you want to do the right view of something, over here should be your right view. Okay, front view you want to do a left view. Left view should go over here. You've rotated it to the left. All right. So that's why I designed this multi-view cube, kind of for that purpose. And anyway, this drawing file. So I'm going to share this file. You can print it out. It's a 3-inch cube, and I've made it such that the so here we got the front, we got the right, we've got our left, our back. All right, and then we've got our top and our bottom. And I've made it such that the weight of it, this is the heaviest and thickest like letter. It's going to sit pretty easily on that bottom letter there. Also, this would be great like practice for sketching, okay, because all of these letters, as you can kind of see from this drawing file, are on they're at 3-inch grid, essentially 3 inches by 3 inches, the cube, and then the letters are all roughly an inch, 2 inches, or almost 3 inches. This is like 2.5 inches, is I think what I did for this B at the bottom. So yeah, just to help them kind of visualize and practice sketching and putting things in the right place. That's why I made this file of this 3D object, and I'm also going to try to share this PDF, what I'm calling my simple drawing for the multi-view cube. Yeah. Anyway, I hope that's helpful for you. I think I'm also going to put together a quick video about distinguishing between orthographic views, isometric views, and oblique views using the same tool or teaching tool. Because, yeah, those can obviously be confusing for students also. And I think it'd be really helpful to give them a visual for that, like using a poster where I've printed those out. So that might be coming next year.